The washer fluid reservoir on the MINI Countryman R60 from 2010 to 2015 is located under the hood on the driver's side. Look for a translucent plastic tank, usually near the firewall, behind the battery or coolant reservoir. It has a blue cap marked with washer or a windshield icon. This is where you'll add your washer fluid. Once you've located the reservoir, confirm it's the correct one by checking for the blue cap with the windshield icon. You can check the fluid level either via external markings on the tank or by using a dipstick if equipped. Low fluid levels can impair windshield cleaning, so regular checks are essential. Before beginning the top-up process, ensure the engine is completely cool. This prevents burns from hot engine components and avoids damage to plastic parts. Gather your supplies before starting. You'll need pre-mixed washer fluid that's rated for temperatures below freezing. This is especially important in winter to prevent the fluid from freezing in the reservoir. Use a funnel to pour the fluid into the reservoir. This helps prevent spills and ensures the fluid goes directly where it needs to go, keeping the engine bay clean. Using pre-mixed washer fluid is recommended because it prevents incorrect dilution ratios. It also ensures proper freeze protection, which is crucial for the MINI Countryman R60's washer system to work effectively in cold weather. Twist off the blue cap counterclockwise. Insert the funnel into the reservoir opening. Slowly pour the washer fluid until it reaches the max line visible on the tank. Avoid overfilling. Replace the cap securely to prevent evaporation and contamination. After topping up the washer fluid, turn on the wipers to test the spray function. If the spray appears weak or non-existent, inspect the windshield washer nozzles for clogs. Carefully insert a small pin into the nozzle orifice to remove any dirt or debris blocking the spray. Once cleared, proper washer fluid spray maintains clear windshield visibility for safe driving. Opt for pre-mixed washer fluid specifically designed for automotive use. In colder climates, choose a fluid rated for temperatures below freezing, such as -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Consider biodegradable, low VOC options for environmental sustainability. Avoid using plain tap water, as it can lead to mineral buildup and nozzle clogs. Avoid overfilling the reservoir, as this can cause leaks or pump damage. A common issue where overfilling led to pump failure costing $200 in repairs. Never use tap water alone, as it risks mineral buildup in the nozzles and can lead to clogging. Check the reservoir cap for leaks or corrosion regularly. Corrosion at the cap has caused leaks in many cases, requiring replacement. Ignoring low fluid levels can strain the wiper motor and lead to higher repair costs. Experts recommend checking every 3 to 6 months. Regular checks and proper fluid choices are key to preventing issues. Use biodegradable fluids and check every 3 to 6 months or 5,000 miles. For long-term care of your MINI Countryman R60's washer fluid system, regularly check the fluid level every 3 to 6 months or every 5,000 miles. Also, inspect the reservoir cap regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Consider installing a low fluid sensor kit to receive early warnings before the fluid runs low. Address any wiper system issues promptly to prevent related washer fluid inefficiencies. With proper care, your MINI Countryman R60's washer fluid system will provide reliable performance.